Hello and welcome everyone. How are you all? This is a reading where I give so that we can help ourselves and we can help somebody else who needs help. Okay, and we can make somebody's life brighter, and we can also make our life brighter. Okay, how we can make our life brighter this month? Let's see in the month of October what we can do for ourselves and for others so that it's a brighter world. Okay, let's start with the first reading with the Capricorns. Let's see what you can do for yourself or for others. Capricorn, this month can be the environment month for you. Okay, where you can, every room in my home makes me smile. You can spread the happiness in your home. Okay, appreciating the home and life that you have, and also making people smile. That is what I think this month you can do for yourself and for other people around you. Okay, so very bright start for the reading. Okay, let's start with let's go ahead with the Aquarius. What you can do this month that can make you much more happier as well as spread happiness around, so you can have the spiritual health coming for you. The card is, I trust in the perfection of divine timing and allow my life to unfold as it should be. So this month can be the month where you trust the higher power and you allow your life to unfold. Okay, this could be for yourself or people around you. Okay, the trust that you might build this month. Okay, this could be something that you might appreciate in yourself, or you might find the trust around with a divine timing, I guess. Okay, or this month could become very healthier for you, for your spiritual health. Okay, and let's see what's coming for the Pisces. Let's see this month what you can um, how you can better brighten your world as well as people around you. Your emotional health could be a blessing for you. I'm gentle with myself, so this could come for you. And you might also feel that your emotional health, or your emotionally you are much more stronger in terms of your emotions, with being gentle with yourself, being compassionate towards yourself, that might brighten your world as well as people around you. Okay, let's see what's coming in for Aries this month for you. The relationship card is coming for you. Okay, let's see what can happen. So this month I'm a master at setting boundaries that protect my time, energy, creativity and emotional well-being. So you will be very much you will master the technique of setting boundaries, a healthy boundary, not a it would be, it will protect your time, energy, creativity and emotional well-being, and this may help you to become stronger in your relationships. This could be something that your relationships would require at this point of time in this month. Okay, this could be coming for you. Okay, this is something which may brighten your world as well as people around you. This may come for the Aries. Let's see what can come for Taurus this month. Your emotional health is what the card is saying. I love my sense of humor and find ways to be funny and delightful every day. So your sense of humor will make yourself a brighter person, as well as people around you will really enjoy the sense of humor you have. It will help your emotional energy also. Okay. So this is something that might really be the brighter spot in this month of October. Let's see what's coming for Gemini this month. Your relationships are what is coming. Okay, you will protect your sensitivity this month. That will make you much more happier, as well as you might also be sensitive towards others, that the same energy will come around you. Okay, so this will be the brighter, this will be where you will feel that this is what will make my life more brighter this month, and also give the same thing to others. Okay, this can be coming for the Geminis this month in their relationships. Let's see what's coming for Cancerians this month. Cancerians, you too have a relationship card. Let's see what's coming for you. Okay, so you have the truth with grace and love, and my relationships are transformed. This month can be a month of being honest with yourself as well as with others, and speaking what is correct for you. Okay, with a very compassionate and graceful way. Okay, your relationships will definitely get transformed. So you might realize certain things about your relationships, where they are going and how they are, how they speak, how they are with you. So you might be you might analyze, you might find out what really needs to be done with a lot of grace and love. So this may be the brighter thing that you can do for yourself and the people around you in terms of your relationships. Okay, let's see what's coming for Leo this month. You have the physical health coming this month for you. This month will be a month where you will keep the daily habits that make you feel good, allow you to vibrate at the highest potential. So this month would be where you will become more maybe you might also, you might, this is something like, a way of making our own world brighter, as well as spreading the brightness around. So this could be the thing that you might do this month for your physical health coming for you. You might keep the sacred, the daily habits that you have that make you feel really vibrating at your highest potential. That could be something that you might honor, the daily habits that you have. I do apologize if there is a slight disturbance coming. Then we will go with the Virgos. Let's see how you can brighten your world and the world, the people around you this month. You have the prosperity card coming for you. Okay, how would you? I'm worthy of more prosperity. Open my heart and hands to receive it now. So this can be a very prosperous thing for you this month. You have the prosperity card, and you might just open your hand and heart to that, because you are worthy of that this month. Okay, so this might really be a very prosperous month for you, and this might be a month where you are worthy of that, and you might just feel that it's time that you get what you really are worthy of. And this will be a very happy month for you in terms of your prosperity, which will brighten your world as well as around you. We have the Librans. Let's see how you can brighten your world this month. The work card coming for you. Okay, you are a shining star, and I surround myself with people who encourage my brightness. So this could be helping you in this month to shine like a star, a shining star, because you are a shining star. You surround yourself with people who encourage your brightness. So this can be a very bright month for you. Okay, this month where you might shine in whatever work you're doing, and also you might surround yourself with people who encourage the same kind of brightness that they have. It's like a bright stars. Okay, like someone who is bright with positivity, I guess. Okay, so you might be very positive in your work life this month, I would say, and you might just be with a brighter with the stars which are brighter. Okay, or the people who make you feel who give you the same kind of positive energy, I would say. Okay, so this month would be really prosperous in terms of your work and people who are associating with you. That would also mean. let's see what's coming for Scorpio this month. You have the environment card this month for you. How you can brighten your world this month and people around you. Okay, I love my home and my home loves me. So your home will be the brighter spot in your life this month, and you might really appreciate your home life, or you might appreciate the love that you get in your home, and people who really love you or like you in your home. That would be the brighter, that would make you feel more brighter in your life, or that would make that you might think that this is the way I can brighten my life this month, or I can give this brightness to other people in my home. So this could be a home life where you would be very contented with your home life, as well as with the people who really help you or who support you with this type of thing. Okay. Finally, we have Sagittarius. Let's see what can come for you. You have the work card coming for you. Okay, this can be um, the brightest spot this month for you. I do complete work, I tie up loose ends, follow through on projects, enjoy the feeling that comes from work, job well done. So there could be something that you wanted to complete and you have completed this month, and that make you feel really good. A job well done. That could be the brighter thing that is coming for you this month. Okay, for the Sagittarians, and this might really help you out in terms of your work, and maybe other people around you might feel happy with this with the work that is job well done for you. So this is coming for all the sun signs and moon signs this month. So this is like a brighter thing for everyone. Okay, nothing that can really help you this month and also help others around you. Okay, so thank you so much. If you like this reading, you can like and subscribe. You can ask a question, and if it resonates with you, let me know. You can also ask any kind of question that you need guidance for. Okay, so till then, in the month of November, let's meet back. Okay, thank you so much. Take care in the month of October. Bye bye.